Hello everyone, my name is Govind and welcome to the video. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how can you calculate the edge in Power Query Editor in Power BI. So this is my employee table. Let me rename it. And this many columns I have: employee ID, name, department designation, date of birth, date of joining, and salary. So the requirement is that to calculate the age of the employees using this date of birth column. So how can you calculate the age? So what I need to do, I will select this column and I will go to a column, and from here this section from date and type I will select it, and I will click on this first option, which is edge. So you can see it has calculated the edge for me, but it is in the form of duration. You can see here the data type is duration. So again, select this column, the edge column, and go to the duration, and how you want this duration to be computed. So basically I want the age in years, so I will select this option, which is total years. So it will give me the years, but since it is giving me the decimal, so I can create it, I can change the data type from decimal to the whole number. So in this way you can calculate the age in Power Query Editor. So it has calculated all the age correctly. The date of joining, the date of birth here is 15/7/1995, and this is 2024, so total 29 years. So this is a way of calculating the age in Power Query Editor.